Welcome back. So when clicking between pages at the moment, it would be nice if we had some indication of what page we are currently on, simply by looking at the header. So in other words, when we swap pages, the current page is underlined, as we see here. How did I achieve this? Let's take a look, and we will introduce a couple of CSS features in the process. So first of all, I have set the border colour of our header link to black, as we see here. So it is now the same colour as the background and essentially invisible. Next, I have added this new class called link active that sets the border bottom property of whatever tag it is added to white. On a side note, a list of CSS properties available can be found at the following site, link in the description. Back on the index.html page, I have added another class to the homepage link, the link active class, as you can see. This raises an important point. We already have the header link class added to our A tags. Because I have added the link active class additionally to the homepage link, any styles in the link active class will now override styles added to the header link class where applicable. So for my homepage link, when I'm on index.html, I can now see that the border bottom colour is now white. This is because in CSS, order matters. The browser will read a CSS file from top to bottom. So any styles declared in the link active class will override the styles declared in the header link class. Because I declared the link active class after header link, if I add this class to any of my links, the border bottom property is now applied, as we can see. So you probably guessed it, if I now add the link active class to my about link in about.html and also add the class to my projects link in projects.html, then whatever page I now visit, the link for the page that has the link active class added has the border bottom property applied to the link. We can also see that when I hover my cursor over a link, we get the same styling applied. How is this happening? Back in styles.css, I've added the same border bottom colour to the following CSS. What is this doing? In CSS, there are pseudo classes that, when declared after a selector like this, style the selector based on a certain state. In this case, if the browser detects that the user is hovering on an element with the selector, then the styling is altered as defined in our pseudo class. So when I hover on any of the header links, they get the border bottom colour of white. More detail on pseudo classes can be found on the following site, link in the description. In the next video, we will take a look at creating the footer of our website. See you in the next video. Bye for now.